Hello everyone, my name is Sagar Giri and me along with my team members Nirajan Shah, Praveen Adhikari and Rohan Thapa. So we will be presenting on the topic dynamic pricing in e-commerce platform. So firstly about e-commerce platform भनेको चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि it's a software solution that actually allows business to create and manage online stores like हाम्रो दराजहरू अलिबाबा अनि त्यसपछि एमाजोन्सहरू भयो अनि introducing about dynamic pricing. So it refers to the practice of adjusting the product prices in the real time based on the factors like demand, competition, and the customer behavior. So हामीलाई चाहिँ dynamic pricing actually किन चाहिन्छ त भन्दाखेरि the first thing is the market adaptability. जस्तै मार्केटमा हजुरको प्रडक्टको डिमान्डहरू बढ्यो कम्पिटिसन बढ्यो या फिर घट्यो त्यही अनुसारमा चाहिँ हाम्रो प्राइस चाहिँ प्रडक्टको चेन्ज गरिराख्नुपर्छ एन्ड सेकेन्ड इज द म्याक्सिमाइजिङ रेभिन्यू जस्तै हाम्रो प्रडक्टको डिमान्ड यति मार्केटमा बढिरहेछ भने चाहिँ त्यसको रेभिन्यू त्यसको प्राइस बढाइयो भने त रेभिन्यू पनि धेरै हुने भयो सो टु द्याट एन्ड द थर्ड इज टु एक्सपायरी बेस्ड प्राइसिङ जस्तै हाम्रो प्रडक्टको एक्सपायरी डेट नजिक आउँदैछ भने चाहिँ त्यसको प्राइस घटाएर हामीले त्यसको नम्बर अफ सेलिङ्स चाहिँ इन्क्रिज गर्न सक्यो एन्ड लाइकवाइज एनदर इज कस्टमर सेगमेन्टेसन सो हामीले कस्टमर्सहरूको चाहिँ डिफ्रेन्ट सेगमेन्ट गराएर पार्टिकुलर सेगमेन्टमा चाहिँ फरक टाइपको प्राइस दिने पनि गर्न सकियो So the functional requirement of our systems are the firstly the user management. So हाम्रो user को account create गर्ने login logout अनि अब role based the user हो कि admin हो अब त्यो अनुसार assign गर्ने and the second is product management. So हाम्रो सबै प्रोडक्ट्सहरूको तिनको प्राइसिङ्सहरू त्यसको पिक्चर्सहरू त्यसको डिस्क्रिप्सन्सहरू चाहिँ अब क्याटेगोरिकल बेसमा त्यहाँ प्रेजेन्ट गर्ने र थर्ड इज द सपिङ कार्ट एन्ड चेकआउट अब युजरले आफ्नो मन लायक किन्ने प्रडक्टहरू चाहिँ अब सपिङ कार्टमा एड गर्न पायो अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ कम्प्लिट सपिङ कार्टको पेमेन्ट कति भयो भनेर प्रेजेन्ट गर्ने र पेमेन्ट सिस्टम सबै यसैमा इन्क्लुड भयो अनि द फोर्थ इज द इन्भेन्टोरी एन्ड द प्राइसिङ अब हाम्रो प्रोडक्ट्समा भएको सबैको अब त्यसको डाइनामिक प्राइसिङहरू सबै कुरा यसमा इन्क्लुड हुने भयो द फिफ्थ इज द एडमिन कन्ट्रोल अब एडमिनले चाहिँ आफूलाई चाहिएको प्रोडक्ट्सहरू चाहिँ एड गर्ने त्यसमा एडिटहरू गर्ने प्राइसेसहरू चेन्जेसहरू गर्ने गर्न पायो एन्ड नेक्स्ट वी हेभ नन फङ्सनल रिक्वायरमेन्ट नन फङ्सनल रिक्वायरमेन्ट चाहिँ नर्मली हाम्रो अरू सबै प्रोजेक्ट्समा हुने जस्तै सिमिलर नै छ फर्स्ट इज स्केबिलिटी अब नम्बर अफ युजर्स कतिले चाहिँ एक्सेस गर्न मिलोस् देन देयर इज पर्फर्मेन्स जुन चाहिँ रियल टाइम प्रोसेसिङ हुनु पऱ्यो एन्ड एभिएबिलिटी रिलायबिलिटी अब सेक्युरिटी हाम्रो युजर्सहरूको डेटा चाहिँ सिक्योर होस् डेटा इन्टिग्रिटी फल्ट टोलरेन्स लोड ब्यालेन्सिङ युजेबिलिटी कम्प्याटिबिलिटी मेन्टेनेबिलिटी अफ बक्सहरू फिक्सहरू गर्ने टाइपको एन्ड कम्प्लायन्सेस अनि ब्याकअप अनि लोकलाइजेसन सो लोकलाइजेसन भनेको चाहिँ हाम्रो इङ्ग्लिस नेपाली सबै ल्याङ्ग्वेजहरूमा नै गर्न मिल्यो सो द्याट वाज फ्रम माई साइड सो आई विल बी फलोड बाई माई फ्रेन्ड प्रवीण अधिकारी थ्याङ्क यू
Now in this state diagram, uh, seller process by listing the product where the goes to price adjust state where he either updates the price and after the updating price, the buyer meanwhile goes to in cart state where he adds the products to cart. And after that he goes to inventory check state where stock is verified. In, stock is verified. At first, seller is in the listed. Seller lists the product where he adjusts the prices of the product. Meanwhile, buyer adds the product state of in cart state, and after adding the product, it is checked that if the product is available in your inventory by going into inventory check state. If the stock is verified and it is in the inventory has enough product, you will go into payment state, or if there are no enough products in the inventory, the order is cancelled and its system goes to cancel state. In the payment state, buyer initiates payment, where if payment is successfully goes to success state and order is confirmed, shipped and delivered, or else he is prompted to reattempt the payment or cancel the order. If cancelled, the payment is refunded and the system goes to final state. Now, activity diagram highlights the sequence of actions taken, tracking the actions when buyer browses the products to order being confirmed. Now, at first, buyer browses the products and adds the products to cart. If the products are available in inventory, he will go with this direction, or else buyer is notified that the order is not available and the order is cancelled. Now, if order is available, buyer proceeds to checkout where he enters his shipping details and payment details. If payment is not successful, he is again prompted to reattempt the payment. And now, if payment is cancelled, order is cancelled, or payment is again not successful, the buyer goes into end state. Now, if the payment is successful, order is considered confirmed. Seller is notified to ship, and he generates the invoice and notifies the buyer about shipment. Now, after shipping the order, if buyer confirms the delivery, the order is completed, or as if delivery has some problem, seller handles the delivery issues. And again, in this direction, order is completed and activity diagram comes to end state.
Hello, my name is Praveen Adhikari. Uh, Now I will be covering a class diagram for our dynamic pricing e-commerce platform. This diagram is essential as it shows the structure of our system by illustrating the classes, their attributes, operation, and relationship. Now, as you can see in the slide, our class diagram represents the core component of the dynamic pricing e-commerce system. Let's uh, look at the key classes and their relationship. First, we have user class. This class contains user ID, name, email, password, role, uh, and uh, and another class we have is a buyer class, seller class, and admin class. They all are inherited to the user class. Uh, the other class we have is the order class, which has the string order ID and these attributes. And we also have the product class, and order class is associated with product class in one to many association, and we have payment class. Order has one payment, and one payment generates one transaction. And we also have the inventory class where uh, where inventory has product ID and stock level attributes. Product one has one inventory as class association. Mm, product and the product class uses the dynamic pricing algorithm for getting uh, desired price. We also have uh, the competitor data and demand data. They are associated uh, with with these class as shown in the slide. Now, in the next slide, we have the interaction diagram. Uh, inter Our interaction diagram, which is a sequence diagram type, shows the time ordered sequence of messages exchanged between objects. Mm, in the view of user, first user browse the products, uh, and the product class is active. The product class pays dynamic prices from the dynamic pricing algorithm class. This return the updated prices, and again the product class return the product list to the user, uh, and user view product details, and product class pays a real time price from the algorithm and return the price to the user. After that, user add product to the cart, and the cart system validates the price adjustment and return the price uh, and confirm the item added to the cart. Then user send the review cart message to the cart system, and the cart system revalidate the prices and display the cart system summary to the user. Uh, User also apply the discount code to the dynamic pricing algorithm classes so that the final price is calculated. After that, user proceed to checkout, and the payment class process the payment and return the transaction uh, return the transaction status. After that, user track order status from the order management system, and also uh, there is price enable alert from the notification system. And for in the seller viewpoint, at first seller open seller dashboard, and the seller dashboard class authenticate the seller and load the seller product from the product system management system. After that, seller can add, edit the product. Uh, in the product management system, it calls the set initial message price message to the dynamic pricing algorithm class that validate the pricing rules. After that, the inventory is updated in the inventory system class, and the confirmation status is returned to the product management system class, that is returned to the seller. In order handling, the new order is uh, uh, provided to the seller from the order management system. The accept or reject of the order is mm, given by the seller to the order management system, and the availability of order product is checked in the inventory system by order management system class. And after that, the order confirmation is sent to the seller. And in the shipping and notification, seller ship the order and send the message to the order management system class. This class send shipment notification to the notification system, and this notification system send the notification to buyer, and the order management system returns the shipping confirmation to the seller.
Hello everyone. Today I will be presenting the deployment diagram for our case study on dynamic pricing in e-commerce. This deployment diagram represents the system architecture, highlighting key component and their interaction. It begins with the client device where user initiate request by a web browser. Then the request is handled by a load balancer, which basically distribute traffic across an application server cluster to ensure scalability and reliability. So the application server interact with a cache server, for example Redis, for fast data retrieval, and a database server consisting of primary database with multiple replicas to ensure data consistency and fault tolerance. Additionally, a message queue, for example RabbitMQ, is integrated for asynchronous pre-processing and post-processing, forwarding tasks with different server node, including payment, inventory recommendation, and pricing services. This architecture enables dynamic pricing adjustment in real time. In conclusion, our study leverages the UML diagram, state, activity, and deployment to model dynamic pricing effectively. The state diagram captures how price adapt to different change in the market. The activity diagram map the decision workflows, and this deployment diagram illustrate a scalable and efficient system architecture. Together, this diagram enhance adaptability and efficiency and also robustness of our design, ensuring the dynamic pricing is responsive, optimized, and scalable for real-world e-commerce application. Thank you.